guys, welcome back to my channel. Flight namin, naparibok na namin. Kaya ito na, ready to go na kami. Ito na ang aming mga bagahe. Ayan. Okay, mga dogi, oh. Bye-bye, babush, kiss.
Box na lang kasi talaga.
Box, oh. Oh, dali, bye-bye. Mga dogs.
Oh, di pa ka diyan. Sige, mababay na.
Sila itong dida. Paigda na la, paigda. O ano, kaya nga diwa?
Wait, iba, baw.
Ah, pwede na to, Didi. Kaya na kami. Sige na, pasok ka na. Okay. O, sige. O, sige, ma. Sige. Bye-bye, Box. Max. Sige, ma. Si Dodi, yung mga doggy. Yan na, biyahe na kami sa airport. Ito, yung nag-atid sa amin, kapitbahay din namin dito, kay street namin. Yan. Dito na kami, malapit na kami sa airport. Lapit na kami sa entrance. Ayan. Bawal na pumasok. Sige. Salamat.
Salamat.
Bago mo anak. Mga salamat. Yan guys. Dito na kami sa airport. Yan na. May mga nag-aantay na doon. Papasok na kami dito. Ano yung entrance? Ano na yung anak ko doon. Departure drop-off area. Lalabas ko na yung ticket ko. Dito. Thank you. Kiwalay na lang ba? Kiwalay na lang ba? Ha?
Hindi na tayo mainit. Tubig ako dito pa eh.
Pwede naman dito lang muna tayo. Pwede naman dito lang muna. Standby muna tayo dito. Diba kami sa waiting area. Province City Airport.
So requesting all senior citizen passengers, those who have an infant and small children, please form a single line on the left side gate of gate number 1. Comfort class passengers, primarily, and leave our workers on board.
Check 10:30 to sa pag-delay ng flight.
Immediately for comfort class passengers, primarily, and leave our workers on board. Once again, on the left side gate is for senior citizen passengers.
Unang flight, may nauna, pero delay na rin sila. Ngayon, delayed na rin yung flight namin. Time check, 11:12 p.m. Super delayed flight.
Pacific passengers on flight 5J652 bound for Manila. Please be advised that the status of your assigned aircraft is now estimated to arrive at Tacloban Station at 12:06 this morning. Once again, for the information of all Cebu Pacific passengers on flight 5J652 bound for Manila, please be advised that the status of your assigned aircraft is now estimated to arrive at Tacloban Station at 12:06 this morning. Meanwhile, may I request all passengers on this flight to please stay inside the pre-departure area and wait for your flight's further announcement. Sanitary meals at gate number 2. Once again, for the information of all Cebu Pacific passengers, present your boarding pass upon claiming. Thank you.
Dalhin. Nakapila kami for complimentary meal.
Chicken and then
Chicken and rice daw. Tuwang-tuwa kami dahil gutom na kami. Ito na yung complimentary meal namin. Galing Jollibee, Chicken Joy. Ayan. Saka isang water. Thank you na rin. Kain tayo, gutom na talaga.
pwede bang ano? Kasi gagawin kasi.
Ayan, di naman halatang gutom, diba? Naubos, oh. Kasi past 11 na. Supposed to be ang original oras ng flight namin ay 8:20. Super delayed na yung flight. Ayan. Obos. Ayan na, dumating na yung plane. Time check, 12:12 a.m. Tuwang-tuwa ko, guys. Katabi na naman ako ng bintana. Last time, ganun din. Kaya yan, guys. Oh, nakikita nyo, umuulan. May mga umaakyat pa. Nakikita natin, guys. Nakapayong sila. Kasama namin sila sa plane. Medyo malakas ang ulan dahil yan sa bagyo, guys. Palabas na ng bansa ang bagyo nito. Kaya lang, nag-iwan pa rin siya ng ulan sa ating bansa. Nakabiyahe na rin, pinayagan na rin kaming bumiyahe yung eroplano dahil okay na naman. May clearance na. Comfortable na kami sa aming upuan. Kami ng anak ko. Yan, nakikita niyo yung usok na yan, guys. Dahil yan binuksan na rin yung aircon ng eroplano.
On behalf of First Officer Emerson Tan and our in-flight team, that welcome board Cebu Pacific Flight 5J652, Airbus 320 jet service, and we're bound for Manila. First and foremost, our sincerest apologies for the delay of departure. This is due to the late arrival of this aircraft from its previous flight, and as brought about flight disruptions by the tropical depression. And nevertheless, we'll try to make up for the lost time and we'll safely expedite our departure. As of the moment, we're just completing our final documentation and we'll be on our way. For your flight information, we'll be climbing to an altitude of 34,000 feet. Flight time approximately 1 hour, covering total distance of 390 nautical miles, all the way northwest out of Tacloban. Weather en route is forecasted to be bumpy, and we'll be expecting the seatbelt signs throughout the flight. Manila weather, please should be reported prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always a priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated.
The command of the aircraft is Captain Juan Carlos Miguel Torres, assisted by First Officer Emerson Tan. Our total flying time is approximately 1 hour. Ang lipat na ito ay pinangunahan ng Kapitan Juan Carlos Miguel Torres sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Emerson Tan. Tayo pililipan ng kumulang 1 oras. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt to fasten push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose ends to unfasten lift double buckle and pull free ends or release.
Southwest, and as of the moment we will be expecting a holding pattern due to heavy traffic inbound Manila. And as of the moment, we're sequenced to land Manila. At the earliest time is 10 minutes past the hour of 2 in the morning. And time check now for convenience, it's 1:32. Once again, we'd like to apologize for the delay of our ride.
Kindly hit the notification bell, guys, for more updates of my new videos later on. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a Merry Christmas.